Appreciate you clicking on this video. Like, subscribe, click all the stuff down below. It's going to be a fun one today, something I've wanted to do for a long time. You'll want to stick around, check it out. You'll want to follow for all the future content and check it out as well. So please like, subscribe, stick around, leave a comment. It really helps the algorithm. Let's get to it. So I've got my new arrows that I'm pretty excited about to go into Shot 3D and tack and all that stuff. Slight left helical, not a major helical, just a minor helical. Easy fletch, Arizona easy fletch. Back and forth on whether I think about the easy fletch, but nonetheless, I like the weight. These are coming in about 368, 369 grains, shooting about 310 feet a second out of this 70-pound prime divide. Love the bow. Whole bunch of videos on the bow. Something I've wanted to do for a long time though is I actually want to shoot lighted Nocks at Shot 3D and tack. So I use these cheap lighted Nocks off Amazon. They work great. There's not a thing wrong with them. I've never had any issues with them. For 6 of them, I think it's 20 bucks or it's 22 or something like that. It's really cheap compared to everything else. So what I want to do is just some testing to see, can I make these lighted Nocks fly and group as well as the standard stock Nocks that come with these arrows. My issues in the past have always been they're a little wider and they don't come off the string quite as clean, so I haven't used them. Even though I love watching them, I use them for hunting. You know, at 20 and 30 yards, it probably doesn't matter a whole lot, but at 80 and 100 and 110, I think it does matter. So we're gonna see if we can make these actually shoot as good as our traditional stock Nocks. So the first thing we need to do, because I'll have to get a sight tape for this at some point, we're gonna weigh them, see how much they add when we put these on them, and we're gonna shoot them through our chrono and get a speed, and then we're gonna stretch out and see how they shoot. All right, so the arrow itself with the standard Nock, 368 even, okay? That's with our standard Nock. So when I pop this Nock out, I have to get some pliers for that. When I pop that one out, this is a brand new pack of lighted Nocks from Kazi, Kumu, whatever, green Nocks. Pop one of these in. Oh, you gotta have the bushing for these, and it does come with all the bushings, which is really cool. So we'll put that bushing in. Slide this Nock in. Okay, everything looks good there. 378.4. So we're getting 10 more grains by adding a lighted Nock. So we're going to build 3 of these and we'll test them against the standard non-lighted ones. Start off at 60 yards. I've got 3 with lighted Nocks. A bunch with standard Nocks, but we'll shoot 3 and we'll just see how they group. I fully expect the lighted Nocks to hit about 1 yard short of where the others have been hitting, so we'll probably add 1 yard to them. 60 yards, we'll go traditional ones first, non-lighted. I'm not even going to look at them really until after I shoot them off. All 3 grouped right, which is flew straight. Hit right where I was aiming. I'm really touching. That's a good start for the lighted Nocks, I would say. Nope, that's not a Russian invasion. That's just C-130s, and that's every day here in Arkansas. But anyway, back to arrows. So we're all just a touch right, which again, I think I guess that'd be my second axis maybe, is off a little bit. So, but my 3 lighted Nocks are actually pretty good. None of them are, I mean, if they were all right or left, it'd be better, right? But for the most part, they're not any worse. They may be slightly better, if anything. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Lighted Nocks group better than the non-lighted Nocks group or not. All right, we're going back on up. Let's go to 80. All right, 85 yards, which we're going to have to guesstimate what 85 yards even is. That's in the bottom of the circle, so 80 is actually pretty close to 85. All right. 3 traditional arrows. That one's a good shot, so I got to remember not to use it as one of the group. Oh, that's high. Ooh, that was a bad shot on me. Right and low, maybe. Lighted Nocks. Ooh, way low. I might should have added more in the yard. Well, probably gonna go pull those and shoot them again with a more accurate sight tape because one of them's in the dirt, number one, and that's no fault but other than me guessing wrong on the sight tape. And I'll try to leave the ones that I shot standard arrows. I'll probably leave them in the target. So I'm gonna reshoot my lighted Nocks to at least get them a little closer to center. All right, 85 yards. I'm gonna bump this to actually 85. Lighted Nocks, I left 3 down there. I think one of them was actually the sight-in shot, but it was a standard shot, so I will leave it. Kind of cheating. Dang, those two are right by each other. We might have a winner. We might have a winner. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. All right, now obviously there's no real science to any of this. It's a lot of human error. But the 3 lighted Nocks in a row, that's the main thing. I just wanted to see, can they group close to what a non-lighted Nock will group? Obviously they can't. I think this bottom left standard Nock here was a warm-up shot. It wasn't actually the shot from when I was shooting the 3 test arrows. I don't know where the other ones hit, but I know that one was the first shot. These other 2 are actual from the test arrows. So a good little triangle there for them. Straight line of lighted Nocks. I mean, I'm not mad about any of them. They're obviously off sight tape wise. I need to add a half yard or so. Again, we're out here building sight tapes, experimenting. That's all part of it, part of the fun. So I'm gonna swap over to all lighted Nocks. I mean, that's the beauty. I love watching a lighted Nock. They're cheap. They get here in like a day if you order them on the Amazon app. So I'm going to swap all these over, and then we're going to build a sight tape for that. Hopefully you guys are out tinkering and testing and trying stuff out like I am. Appreciate you sticking around to the end of this video. Lots of videos like this. We're now going to build a whole nother sight tape. I just built a sight tape for non-lighted Nocks, but I really wanted to test and see if these would even fly somewhat similar to a standard Nock. They do. I love watching them. The better on camera, so I'm just going to run them for Total Archery Challenge, Shot 3D, and all that stuff. So stick around. I got a ton of videos on that stuff. If you're looking for arrows and bows and broadheads and releases, go check out Fishing Stuff in Sherwood, Arkansas. If you're looking for an e-bike, RamboBikes.com. Use R Woods at checkout. Save you some money and helps the channel out. Appreciate you guys watching. Again, subscribe. Like 60-70% of you are not subscribers. We're pushing in on 7,000 if we're not already just past it. Be one of those, like, subscribe, stick around. It means a ton. Appreciate it.